Hey there, this is Craig from Precision Pyramids. Today I'm here to show you one of my new creations. It is my Giza corner kits made from my 3D printer for 2x2s. This in particular is just using my apex piece. I have both apex pieces and corner bottom pieces. But for this particular one, I'm just showing for the apex to show that for those who want to go on the cheap, you can just get the apex piece instead of all 5 corner pieces to create your own inexpensive meditation pyramid. And this is all in the dimensions of the Great Pyramid with the 51.8 degree slope angle. And it's made from my 3D printer with PLA, which is plastic that's made entirely from plants. So it's completely 100% natural and relatively inexpensive. And it takes it's built upon layer with my printer, and it takes approximately more than 24 hours to print just one of these pieces. But it's with really high precision and accurate angles, and you just buy your own 2x2s and away you go.